Hello everyone, welcome to How Fix It. If your Apple Watch screen is not responding, cracked, or broken, don't worry. I'm here to help. In this repair guide, I'll show you how to fix a damaged Apple Watch Series 9 screen, step by step, and get your device working like new again. Before we start, here's what you'll need for the repair. Plastic pry tools, tweezers, glue. I will use B7000 glue due to its high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water resistance. Screen disassembly tool. This tool is designed for opening electronic devices with a screen that is difficult to pry open with standard plastic tools. It's especially useful for the Apple Watch Series 9, as the gap between the screen and the watch body is very slim. And screen clamp. You can find links to all these tools in the video description below. Before you start, turn off the Apple Watch and remove the bands. If your touchscreen is broken and you can't turn off the watch normally, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously. Continue holding as the Apple Watch reboots. When you see the Apple logo, release the digital crown, but keep holding the side button until the Apple logo disappears. To make the opening process easier, warm up the display with a hairdryer for about 1 minute. Insert the edge of the curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the watch case. Gradually separate the display from the case by working around all sides of the screen. When lifting the cracked screen, wear eye protection to prevent injury from broken glass. Gently turn the display towards the watch crown. Use tweezers to carefully peel off the ribbon cables from the display. Use a plastic tool to unlock the display connectors. Carefully pull the display ribbon cables out of their connectors. In the video description, I've included a link to where you can buy a new screen for the Apple Watch Series 9. Now, connect the new screen by inserting the ribbon cables into their connectors. Lock the connectors in place using the plastic tool. Secure the black tape back over the ribbon cables. Before sealing the display, turn on the Apple Watch to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you can proceed to reassemble the watch. Let's move on to restoring the display's seal to protect it from water and dust. But first, we need to prepare the surface for better adhesion. Use isopropyl alcohol, 91% or higher, and a cotton swab to clean off any remaining adhesive. Clean the surface thoroughly, ensuring complete coverage. Allow the surface to dry completely before applying adhesive. Apply an adhesive gasket or silicone glue to ensure protection against water and dust. For the best seal, I recommend using B7000 glue, as it provides better resistance compared to adhesive stickers. However, keep in mind that this will not provide 100% water protection. Therefore, it is highly recommended to avoid submerging your Apple Watch in water after the repair. Connect the display by inserting the ribbon cables into their connectors. Lock the connectors in place, then reapply the black tape over them. To hold the display in place while the glue sets, use screen clips or rubber bands. B7000 glue fully cures in 24 hours, but it achieves a surface dry in about 6 minutes. I recommend waiting at least 45 minutes before handling the watch further. After 45 minutes, you can remove any excess glue. However, it is recommended to let the glue harden for 24 hours under the pressure of the screen clamp. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech repair tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for watching How Fix It, and we'll see you in the next video.